你好, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to say several red fruits in Chinese. 苹果、石榴、樱桃、荔枝、火龙果、番茄、草莓。我每天早上吃一个苹果。这个石榴有点酸。你喜欢草莓还是樱桃？ If you want to learn Chinese through fun stories, make sure to check out our Chinese leveled readers. 火龙果和荔枝都好甜呀。番茄是蔬菜还是水果呢？ Please share your answer in the comments. Tired of reading boring Chinese materials? Check out our Chinese leveled readers based on the HSK standard. Our stories cover a wide range of interesting topics for students of all levels, from beginners to advanced learners. The stories include Pinyin, English translations, and audio recordings read by native Chinese speakers. Learn Chinese the fun way. Ebook, available at Amazon, Apple Books, Barnes & Noble, Kobo. Paperback, available at Amazon.